RDX English Learning.
Meeting a new person.
Hello. What is your name?
My name is Lisa. What is your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you, Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada. How about you?
I am from England.
Oh, that's nice.
Do you live here?
Yes, I live near the park.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 2 years.
What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work in an office.
That's interesting.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I like it very much. It's clean and friendly.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and walking. What about you?
I like listening to music.
That's fun.
Do you have any friends here?
Yes, I have a few friends from school.
Do you go out with them often?
Yes, we go to the park on weekends.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it's very relaxing.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to visit new places.
Where did you travel last time?
I went to the mountains last summer.
That must be beautiful.
Yes, it was very beautiful and peaceful.
Maybe we can go for coffee someday.
Sure, that would be nice.
Great. I will message you soon.
Okay, I will wait for your message.
Have a nice day, Lisa.
You too, David. Bye. Talking about hobbies.
Hi. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, I like reading books. What about you?
I like playing football.
That's fun. Do you play every week?
Yes, I play on Saturdays and Sundays.
I like sports too, but I prefer swimming.
Swimming is good for health.
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing and painting.
Really? I like drawing too.
That's great. What do you usually draw?
I like drawing animals and trees.
Oh, I like animals too.
Do you play any musical instrument?
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's amazing. I want to learn guitar.
I can teach you some basic chords.
Thank you. That would be nice.
No problem.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching cartoons and action movies.
I also like cartoons. My favorite is Tom and Jerry.
Oh, I love Tom and Jerry too.
Do you play video games?
Sometimes. My favorite game is Chess Online.
I like board games more than video games.
That's good. Board games are fun with friends.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to pop and rock music.
I like pop music too. Who is your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift.
I also like her songs. They are very nice.
Yes, very nice and easy to listen.
Do you like reading magazines?
Yes, I read sports and science magazines.
That's interesting. I read comic books.
Comics are fun and exciting.
Maybe we can do a hobby together someday.
Yes, I would love that. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I am looking for the bus station.
Oh, it is near the park.
Can you tell me how to get there?
Yes, go straight and turn left at the traffic light.
How far is it from here?
It is about 5 minutes walking.
Is it on the right side or left side?
It will be on your right side.
Is there a sign I can see?
Yes, there is a blue sign.
Do I need to cross the street?
Yes, you need to cross one street.
Can I walk there or take a bus?
You can walk. It is close.
Thank you. What is the bus number from here?
The number 5 bus goes there too.
How long does the bus take?
About 10 minutes.
Is it safe to walk alone?
Yes, it is safe.
Can I ask you again if I get lost?
Of course.
Are there shops near the bus station?
Yes, there is a small shop and a cafe.
Can I buy a ticket at the station?
Yes, there is a ticket counter.
Is there a map of the bus routes?
Yes, you can see it at the station.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome.
How busy is the bus station?
It is usually busy in the morning.
Can I wait inside if it rains?
Yes, there is a small shelter.
How do I know when my bus comes?
There is a digital screen with the time.
Thanks again. I will go now.
Good luck. Have a nice day. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good evening. Can I have a table for 2, please?
Of course. Right this way.
Thank you. Can we sit by the window?
Yes, this table is free.
Can I see the menu, please?
Here you go.
What do you recommend?
The chicken salad is very popular.
I will try the chicken salad.
Good choice.
And can I have a glass of water?
Yes, I will bring it.
Can my friend order too?
Of course.
I want the spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Sure. Do you want extra cheese?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Can we have some bread on the table?
Yes, I will bring it.
How long will the food take?
About 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Can I have ketchup with my spaghetti?
Yes, here it is.
Can I order dessert after the meal?
Yes, we have ice cream and cake.
I want ice cream, please.
Okay, which flavor do you want?
Chocolate, please.
Great.
Can we pay with a card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Can we have the bill, please?
Yes, I will bring it.
Thank you for the good service.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice evening. Shopping for clothes.
Hello. Can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I want a t-shirt for summer.
Sure. What size do you wear?
I wear size medium.
Here is a medium t-shirt.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
It fits very well.
That's great.
Do you have this t-shirt in blue?
Yes, we have blue and red.
I like blue. Can I see it?
Here you go.
How much is this t-shirt?
It costs $15.
That is okay. I will take it.
Perfect.
Do you have pants too?
Yes. What size do you need?
I need size 32.
Here are some pants in size 32.
Can I try these pants on?
Yes, the fitting room is open.
These pants are very comfortable.
I am glad you like them.
Do you have any jackets?
Yes. What color do you want?
I want a black jacket.
Here is a black jacket in your size.
How much is the jacket?
It costs $40.
I will buy it too.
Great. I will wrap it for you.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. At the supermarket.
Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Milk is in aisle 3.
Thank you. How about bread?
Bread is in aisle 5.
Do you have fresh eggs?
Yes, eggs are in aisle 2.
How much is this milk?
It costs $2 per liter.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can.
Where is the fruit section?
Fruits are near the entrance.
Can you help me pick apples?
Yes, these apples are fresh.
How much are the apples?
$3 per kilo.
Thank you. Do you have bananas?
Yes, bananas are next to the apples.
Can I get a bag for the fruits?
Yes, here is a plastic bag.
Where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 7.
Do you sell pasta too?
Yes, pasta is near the rice.
How much is this pasta?
It costs $4 per pack.
Can I buy some cheese?
Sure, cheese is in the fridge section.
Thank you. Where is the checkout?
The checkout is at the front.
Can I pay cash?
Yes, you can pay cash or card.
Do you have plastic bags or should I bring my own?
We have plastic bags here.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I will come back again.
We are happy to see you again.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does the number 10 bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
How often does the bus come?
Every 15 minutes.
What time is the next bus?
The next bus comes at 3:15 p.m.
Where should I wait for the bus?
You can wait at the stop here.
Do I need a ticket?
Yes, you need a ticket.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy it from the driver.
How much is a ticket?
It costs $2.
Can I use a card to pay?
Yes, the driver accepts card payments.
How long does it take to reach the city center?
About 20 minutes.
Is this bus always on time?
Most of the time, yes.
Can I take the bus at night?
Yes, there is a bus until 10 p.m.
How many stops are there to the city center?
There are 6 stops.
Is it a crowded bus?
Sometimes it is crowded in the morning.
Can I sit near the front?
Yes, seats are first come, first served.
What if I miss the bus?
You can wait for the next one in 15 minutes.
Is there a map of the bus routes here?
Yes, it is on the bus stop sign.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Do buses come on weekends too?
Yes, but they come every 30 minutes.
Can I bring a bicycle on the bus?
Only small bicycles are allowed.
Thank you. I will wait here.
Good luck. Have a safe trip. At the post office.
Hello. I want to send a letter
Sure. Where do you want to send it?
to London, please.
Do you want standard or express delivery?
How much is standard delivery?
It costs $3.
How long does it take to arrive?
About 5 days.
I will take standard delivery.
Okay. Please write the address clearly.
Here is the letter. Can I also send a parcel?
Yes. What is in the parcel?
It is a small gift for my friend.
Okay. Please weigh it.
How much is the parcel delivery?
It costs $10.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, we accept cash and card.
Do I need to fill a form?
Yes, please fill this form.
Is there a stamp for this letter?
Yes, here is a stamp.
Where should I put the stamp?
Stick it in the top right corner.
Can I track my parcel?
Yes, you will get a tracking number.
How long does the parcel take to arrive?
About 7 days.
Can I send it internationally?
Yes, we can send parcels worldwide.
Do I need an ID?
Yes, please show your ID.
Can I send multiple letters at once?
Yes, you can.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Can I open a P.O. box here?
Yes, please ask at the counter.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day. Going to the bank.
Hello. I want to open a bank account.
Sure. Do you have an ID?
Yes. Here is my ID.
Thank you. What type of account do you want?
I want a savings account.
Okay, please fill out this form.
How long does it take to open an account?
About 10 minutes.
Do I get a bank card?
Yes, you will get a debit card.
How long does it take to receive the card?
About 1 week.
Can I deposit money today?
Yes, how much would you like to deposit?
I want to deposit $50.
Okay, please give it to me.
Can I withdraw money too?
Yes, you can withdraw at the counter or ATM.
How much can I withdraw per day?
The limit is $500.
Can I transfer money to another bank?
Yes, you can.
Is there a fee for transferring money?
Yes, $1 per transfer.
Can I check my balance online?
Yes, you can use online banking.
How do I log into online banking?
You need your account number and password.
Can I change my password?
Yes, you can change it anytime.
Is the bank open on Saturday?
Yes, from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Do I need an appointment?
No, you can come directly.
Can I get a checkbook?
Yes, please request it at the counter.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
At the train station.
Excuse me. I want to buy a ticket to London.
Sure. One-way or return ticket?
I want a one-way ticket.
Okay. Which class do you prefer, first or second?
Second class, please.
How many tickets do you need?
I need one ticket.
That will be $20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card or cash.
Which platform does the train leave from?
Platform 3.
What time does the train leave?
It leaves at 10:30 a.m.
Is it on time today?
Yes, the train is on time.
Where can I wait for the train?
You can wait at the benches near platform 3.
Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, near the ticket counter.
Can I bring luggage on the train?
Yes, small luggage is allowed.
Can I reserve a seat?
Yes, please fill out this reservation form.
How long does it take to reach London?
About 2 hours.
Are there any stops on the way?
Yes, 3 stops before London.
Is there food on the train?
Yes, there is a small cafe carriage.
Can I bring my pet?
Only small pets in a carrier are allowed.
Can I get a discount for students?
Yes, please show your student ID.
How early should I come before departure?
At least 15 minutes before the train leaves.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice trip.